Today I'll be reviewing this camera right here. It is a Minolta. Actually, I already opened it and reviewed it, but I forgot to film an intro. I was just so excited when I got home from work that I just wanted to bust this thing open and just see what's inside. It is a used camera and it doesn't really look used. I think it's new, but someone never used it. I think I paid $100 and something for it, 130. Not even that. I don't even know. But I'll put it right here. And yeah, it's purple. It's my favorite color. And yeah, let's just get right into opening this, even though I already opened it. All right, so let's unbox this. Here's the camera I got. It's purple. When I got it, I'm like, oh my god, I have to get this. And hopefully it works pretty good since it is used. I never even heard of this name brand before. Alright, finally got it open. This thing is packaged so nicely, it doesn't even look used. Oh, nice. Nice packaging. Oh my gosh. Look at that color. If you didn't know, purple's my favorite color. Oh my god, I feel so professional, guys. Look at me. Look at me. You know, like a little handle, you can hold it like this. This looks so nice. Hopefully it works the way it looks. Got a little tripod thing. Okay. Does it take batteries? Oh, probably got the battery check. This thing looks so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this camera. All right, let me stop admiring it for a second. What's this? So it's like a little camera strap. This thing does not look used, y'all. It looks new. And I paid, I think, $167 for it. Oh, it came with a card. Look at that. I do have one. Oh, that's the camera cover looks like. I don't know what this thing is. Yeah, this is the camera cover. It goes in like that, right? Yeah. This looks so nice, guys. I'm so happy. You take it off like that. That's what it looks like. And what's this? Oh, it's the battery. I wonder if it's charged or not. I'm so excited to use it. This is like the charging cable, maybe. And here's a little plug for it. And what's this? That's a little camera bag. I don't get no battery charger. What is this? How is the camera gonna fit in here? Does it fit? Oh, that's nice. It's a snug fit, but it's nice. I wonder if this battery is charged or do I have to charge it? Does it go in like this? Oh my gosh. Wait, does this come out? No. Okay. Oh, this looks so nice, guys. It's definitely not 2017. Definitely not 2020. Today's date, 13th. Cool. What's the time? Okay. Oh my god, this quality is so nice. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Is it? I know there's supposed to be like a flash. How do you get that out? Supposed to be like a flash under here. Oh, they got look, that's got Wi-Fi? What? This got Wi-Fi? Wow, I'm so impressed. Oh, maybe oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, guys. The quality is so nice. Oh my god, I gotta show my parents real quick. I gotta test this on the most beautiful / handsome person I know. You. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. Now how do I look at it? Here. Wow, look at you. You look so nice. The quality. This photo is so nice. But unfortunately, I have to delete it. Single. Oh, yes. No image. Cool. This thing is so nice, guys. I'm trying to see what all the different things mean. So right here, I'm testing out the camera. I'm just flipping through my sketchbook to see the quality of it, or to say if I would, because mostly I film my drawings, so I want them to be clear and stuff. And here is me, you know that little Wi-Fi little button I saw? So yeah, it's this app that you can download on your phone, and whatever the camera is looking at, you can like view it on your phone. I think it's a cool feature. I don't really know how I would use it, but maybe to take thumbnails or something, I'm not sure. But I think it's a little cool feature. I mean, if you know what you're gonna do with it. So yeah, overall, I really like this camera. I don't think I will be using it to film videos because I tried that for a video project in school and it just was not picking up. It would not focus, but I do like it for taking pictures for my photography class, which is the main reason why I bought this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye.